Welcome back to Santa's Helpers Reviews. Today we're going to keep talking about the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill 300. It's awesome. The Raclette Grill being our first try was a little more challenging. There's a bit more education of your guests. You have to stand by and answer questions unless they're familiar with it as well. You have a grill on one side, a flat surface on the other. The heating element works as a broiler. And you have veggies and meats on top, so seafood included. You can cook a full fish on here. We did a cheese party and we had mushrooms and vegetables and some meats on here. One of these 8 trays filled with cheese and another one of the 8 spatulas, and you just slide this onto your dish over the food of your choice. My recommendation is to give this a test run. Your first time through, you're gonna be playing with the heating element and finding out the sweet spot for where you want the cheese to be melted. Give it a test run. The instruction manual is straightforward and has everything you need to know about your Raclette grill. We really enjoyed using the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill 300. Highly recommend it. Great value, different surfaces that have a lot of versatility, and a communal experience so you can enjoy your food with your friends. What's not to like about that? If you enjoyed our review, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, please. We'll see you in the comments.